guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is super exciting because we got this wonderful giant mystery box that's going on Mr. Clean. We're gonna do the full system and I'm super excited. I cannot wait to put this on the bike. I've been waiting to put this on the bike ever since I got it. Wanted to get a few other videos out first, so let's get started. I'm really excited. Removal of the original exhaust is super easy. I've already loosened everything up and taken everything apart. There's two 12mm nuts here for the flange, another 12mm bolt here, and then a bolt here for the bracket. We're gonna remove the entire exhaust completely and then separate whatever we need off of the bike. The only one thing to be really careful about is your oxygen sensor. I'll show you how to unplug it. This is the connector for your oxygen sensor. What you can do if you have big hands is remove your horn first. It's just a 12 there, but I like to do things the hard way. And all you have to do is press the clip. It's up here. And then you just slide this back and the whole thing can get removed like that. And then this slips backwards like that. And you want to do the same thing on the other side. So now, might have to cut this zip tie here, and then this whole thing will get removed all in one piece. So there's actually a note in the instructions right here, step 2. Clamps from the OE exhaust to be interchanged from right to left and left to right. Now we've got everything loosely mounted. We wanted this kind of play in here to make any final adjustments. So now we're gonna go ahead and lock everything down now that it's been mounted and connect our O2 sensor. And we'll put our little cover here and that'll be it. And do the other side and then lots and lots of sound clips.